What's up, everyone? It's the HVAC Repair Guy here. Today we're putting two heavyweights in the ring for a ductless mini split showdown, Bosch versus American Standard. If you're looking to add zoned comfort to your home, you've probably seen these names pop up. But we're going to look past the marketing and dive straight into the data to see which one actually earns its keep on your wall. When we talk about ductless systems, we aren't looking for those big louvered panels you see on central air units. Instead, we're looking at the chassis build and the footprint. Both of these brands bring a compact design to the table, but they take very different approaches to where they're built. Bosch's Climate 5000 units are manufactured in China. On the other side, American Standard's lineup from the Advantage to the Ultra Series is manufactured in Japan and Thailand. In the field, that compact footprint is key because it means we can tuck these units into tight spots where a traditional system just wouldn't fit. Now, let's talk numbers, efficiency, and sound. For Bosch, the Climate 5000 series hits a solid 27.4 SEER. That's great for your utility bill, and it runs at a quiet 23 decibels indoors. But American Standard is coming in hot with their Ultra Series, boasting a massive 30.5 SEER. Even more impressive, it drops the indoor noise level down to just 19 decibels. Remember, a 3 dB difference is something your ears will actually notice. American Standard isn't just more efficient here, it's whisper quiet. Before we get to the winner, I want to hear from you. Have you ever dealt with flattened fins or hail damage on your outdoor units? Or maybe you've had a ductless install recently? Drop a comment below and let's talk shop. Now, let's settle this with the warranty battle. This is where the rubber meets the road. Both brands offer a strong baseline. Bosch gives you a 10-year general parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. American Standard matches that 10-year parts coverage across the board and actually bumps the compressor warranty up to 12 years on their Ultra Series. However, when we look for that ultimate guarantee, the no-hassle unit replacement, both of these brands actually come up empty with a big 0 in that category. That means if your unit has a major failure, they're replacing the part, not the whole machine. So, what's the verdict? While Bosch puts up a localized fight with great efficiency, American Standard takes the win today. With a significantly higher 30.5 SEER rating for lower bills, a noticeably quieter 19 dB operation, and an extra 2 years of protection on the compressor, American Standard is the field-tested choice for this equipment battle. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.